lamp using LDR. In this we use BT136 Triac. You can see here BT136 Triac. It is the three terminal Triac. Okay, first one T1, terminal 1, terminal 2, ಆಮೇಲೆ gate. These are the three terminals of this Triac. Next we use 220 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, next is the LDR, light dependent resistor. And next lamp 40 watt is the holder and wire connected to this holder to connect the 230 volt AC supply. Now start the connection. Take BT136 Triac. Okay. Connect for this 220 ohm resistor. Okay, between the terminal P2 and gate. LDR between gate and T1. It is the gate and terminal T1. Okay. Next, now connect to T1 and T2. Between T1 and T2, the T1 terminal 1. Connect another and to the terminal T2. Next connect lamp to the holder. We connected lamp like this. You can see here this is the holder. Okay, one wire from T2 to holder. From holder, this is the black wire. Okay, goes to supply, and from supply to terminal T1 of the BT136 Triac. Let's test the circuit. See here, when this light, flasher light, falls on this LDR, the lamp will off. This flasher falls on this LDR, the lamp will off. Then we remove flasher and LDR. LDR means light when fall on LDR, lamp will off. When we remove it, lamp will on. Hence it is day night lamp using LDR. Okay, we seen from this LDR. Okay, when we goes outside, okay, it will off when fall on the light on this LDR. Okay, it is the automatic day night lamp using LDR. You can make it in your home and save the electrical energy